Hello, this is Darren Nolan, health education teacher at Graduation Alliance, and I'm going to be covering lesson 2.2, food groups, and this lesson is from Health Semester 1. So a little bit of history on the food groups, and you may recall the Food Guide Pyramid, which came out in 1992. So here's an example of what this looked like back then. And it has changed a couple times since 1992 and actually before then, but this is one of the most recent in the last 20 years. So then it moved in 2005 to the My Pyramid, and very similar, as you can see, covering a lot of the same groups. But one thing that is different here is we notice that there's a person on the outside of this. So what we added was physical activity. 60 minutes physical activity a day was important, not just eating healthy. So then 2011, we came out with the My Plate, which is our current logo that we're working with, which contains the 5 food groups. And so we're going to talk about each of these areas and the different nutrients that we should be consuming according to the dietary guidelines. So comparing and contrasting, as I noted earlier, one big thing you can see is that there are still strands where we have a plate that shows kind of proportionately how much of each of these food groups we should be consuming. We don't see the exercise piece, but that's still part of what each individual should be getting is 60 minutes physical activity, which they were showing with my pyramid here on the outside. So the 5 different food groups are the fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy as depicted on the Choose My Plate picture. So let's talk about fruits first. So fruits, any fruit or 100% fruit juice counts as a part of the fruit group. Fruits may be fresh, canned, frozen, dried, whole, cut up, or pureed. Key consumer message here is make half of your plate fruits and vegetables. Nutrients in fruit. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories. None have cholesterol. Fruits are sources of many essential nutrients, including potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folate. Health benefits of fruit. As part of a healthy diet, fruit may reduce risk for heart disease, protect against certain types of cancers, reduce the risk of obesity, and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The vegetable group, any vegetable of 100% vegetable juice counts as a member of the vegetable group. Vegetables may be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried, dehydrated, and may be whole, cut up, or mashed. Key consumer message, make half your plate fruits and vegetables. Nutrients in vegetables. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. None have cholesterol, but sauces or seasonings may add fat, calories, or cholesterol. Vegetables may provide dietary fiber, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. Health benefits of vegetables. As part of an overall healthy diet, vegetables may reduce the risk for heart disease, protect against certain types of cancers, and may reduce the risk of obesity and the risk of type 2 diabetes. Grains, next food group. Any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, and other cereal grains. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits. 2 groups, whole grains and refined grains. Key consumer message, make at least half your grains whole grains. Whole grains, they contain the entire grain kernel, the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Some examples include whole wheat flour, bulgur, which is cracked wheat, oatmeal, whole cornmeal, or brown rice. Refined grains, these are milled. They remove the bran and the germ, gives grains finer texture, improves shelf life, removes dietary fiber, iron, and many B vitamins. Some examples would be white flour, degermed cornmeal, white bread, white rice. Most are enriched, which means vitamins and minerals are added back in, but not dietary fiber. Dietary fibers, especially in whole grains, B vitamins and minerals, iron, magnesium, and selenium are found in grains. Some health benefits of grains. Eating grains, especially whole grains, as part of a healthy diet may reduce the risk of some chronic diseases such as heart disease, obesity, neural tube defects during fetal development. Protein group, all foods made from meat, poultry, seafood, beans, and peas, eggs, processed soy products, nuts, and seeds are part of the protein foods group. Beans and peas are also part of the vegetable group. Select a variety of protein foods, including at least 8 ounces of cooked seafood per week. Key consumer message: meat and poultry choices should be lean or low fat. Nutrients and proteins. Meats, poultry, fish, dry beans, and peas, eggs, nuts, and seeds supply many nutrients, provide protein, B vitamins, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in seafood, may help reduce the risk for heart disease. Health benefits of proteins: they serve as the building blocks for bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, blood, enzymes, hormones, and vitamins. They provide calories, which give us energy. The nutrients and proteins serve a variety of functions in the body. They help release energy, carry oxygen in the blood, help build tissues, and many more. The dairy group, all fluid milk products and many foods made from milk are part of this group. Key consumer message is switch to fat-free or low-fat 1% milk. Nutrients in dairy products: calcium for bones and healthy teeth, potassium maintaining healthy blood pressure, vitamin D helps to maintain proper levels of calcium and phosphorus. In low-fat or non-fat form, provide little or no fat. Health benefits: drinking dairy products is linked to improved bone health, especially during childhood and adolescence. Drinking dairy products may also reduce the risk of some diseases: osteoporosis, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. A healthful diet is adequate, varied, balanced, and moderate. An adequate diet provides enough energy, nutrients, fiber, and vitamins to support a person's health. Variety refers to eating many different types of foods each day. A healthful diet is not based on only one or a few types of foods. A balanced diet contains the right combination of foods to provide the proper balance of nutrients. A healthful diet is moderate and contains the right amounts of foods for maintaining proper weight, neither too much nor too little food. For this lesson, you will have activity 2.2.1 food groups. There are 2 multiple choice questions and 3 2 multiple choice questions and 3 true-false questions. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of your health education teachers. Have a great day.